Okay, so we're looking at 2008 again, unit 16 this time, and it's a really straightforward graph, and then we've got some straightforward questions. So what I want you to do is just read the information, don't start the questions, just read the information and make sure you understand what's happening, and before we start we'll just talk about the graph. Okay, so we're back, you've had a look. Okay, so there's 6 customers, all different customers, and this is total cost, and this is the number of litres. That's important, but the most important thing is the scale. When we're doing these questions, the scale on each axis is linear, and they're purchasing at different petrol stations, so there's going to be different prices. Okay, so the first question is question 40, so can you have a go and let me know, put your answer down when you're ready. Okay, so we're looking for customers to pay the same price. So for the same price, they get the same litres. Sorry, I beg your pardon, we'll start that again. To get the same price, there's going to be a linear relationship between them. So for instance, we'll just go through the distractors. Okay, V and Z. Okay, so V and Z, they've paid the same cost, and one guy's got a different amount of petrol, so they couldn't have paid the same price. V and W, they've got the same number of litres and a different cost, so it's not that one. X and W, X has got more petrol than W at less cost, so it's not that one, and so the answer is X and V. And the reason X and V is because these guys are in a straight line back through the origin. So when they bought no petrol, they had no cost, and so V and X are in the same line. Okay, so I'll rub out all the other things now, so you can just make sure you can see the diagram again. And let's have a look at the next question. This one here relates, you need to know that the scale is linear. Okay, so have a go at that question, and when you're ready, come back live. Okay, so customer U, I'll get the pen going again. So customer U bought M litres of petrol, so that's M, so that's going to be 2M, 3M, 4M, and it cost N dollars, so that's N, that's 2N, that's a half of an N, that's 1.5 of an N. Okay, so we're using the linear scale. So what's the total cost for customer V? Will be 1.5 N, which is answer A. Okay, so I'm going to rub that out again. So let's have a look at the next question. I'm going to rub this out again. And have a look at question number 42. Have a go, and when you're ready, come back live. Okay, so this one here is mathematics without a calculator, and this is where we do have to practice these things. Okay, so we're going to look at the scale again. So customer V, which is this guy here, paid $75. So that scale is 75, so that means that's 25, that's 50, 75, 100, and 125. And he bought 60 litres of petrol, so that number there is 60, so it's going to be 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. So now we're looking at customer W. So customer W spent $125 and he bought 60 litres of petrol, and the answer that's closest to that is 2. That's the closest answer. Okay, so again, it's not hard when you look at the scales. And I'll rub that out again because the next question has a different one as well. Okay, so rub that out. And let's have a look at question 43. So pause it, and when you're ready, come back live. Okay, so customer X. Customer X, put on the pen. Customer X spent $84. So 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be $42, 21.63. So that's the scale. And how much more did Y pay more than V. So the difference between those two is $21. And that's the end of the question. Okay, so that was not hard, but you did have to understand that that part there was the most critical part of the question. Okay, bye.